Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix a broken Twitter DMS on your settings. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we go down, we click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we just go down to looking for Twitter. We will just go down and we click here on Twitter, then we come here to app info and we click here on for stop, then we click here on OK, and we just go down, we click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache and we click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Twitter settings.